Learners want to construct an electric heater using one of the two wires, A and B, of different resistance. They conduct experiment and draw the graph as shown below. Now we have the graph of V versus current. Now, mawusubheka le graph yethu ethi V, khumbule la sijwayele ukuba no-Y, la sijwayele ukuba no-X. Mangabe sifuna i-gradient, siye sithi i-gradient elingana no-Y of bani? Of X. So, kushuthi nalana-ke i-gradient yethu, i-gradient ilingana no-V of bani? Of Y. Space over i-current. Siyazelaphi le nto le? Kukhona le formula le ethi VIR. Masidivayida nge-current laphaya, u-R ulingana no-V over I. So, okusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama i-gradient yethu ilingana ne-resistance. Shuthi uma singa-calculate-a i-gradient yale graph le, sizothola i-resistance. Ngamanye amagama fanele lokhu uhlezi ukwenza, hlezi ukunaka ukuthi okay, sinani kuma-y-axis, sinani kuma-x-axis. Uma ngidivayida le two kulingana nani konje, should that is the physical quantity or that is the slope of the graph. Now bathini-ke bathi apart from the temperature, write down two other factors that the learners should consider to ensure a fair test when choosing which wire to use. So, izinto lezi kufanele benze sure ukuthi they remain constant, ayiphazamisi ama-results wethu. They must ensure that we have the same length. They must ensure that the wire have the same length. Ubude balabo gesi babasebenzisayo buyalingana. Number one. Bese kuba i-thickness ye-wire noma i-cross-sectional area yakhona yalabo gesi abazobasebenzisa. Those are the factors okufanele benze sure ukuthi ayafana so that i-test yethu ibanjani? Iba fair. Okay. Bese kuba inansi question bathi-ke, assuming all other factors are kept constant, state which one of the two wires will be the most suitable to use in the heater. So use a suitable calculation to show clearly how you arrived at the answer. Now, kukhona le formula le. So lana bafuna ukukhanda i-heater. So bafuna ukucheck ukuthi imuphi ugesi ozobalekelela ekutheni bakhande i-heater. So shuthi sidinga ini? I-heat energy. I squared R times change in time. So since labo gesi besitshena nge-resistance, i-gradient yale graph lezo sinikeza i-resistance. Okusho ukuthi ugesi ozoba ne-resistance enkulu for i-current eyodwa efanayo. Ugesi ozoba ne-resistance enkulu for i-current eyodwa iwona ozoba right for ukuthi sikhande ngawo i-heater ngoba i-heat izoba nkulu, i-energy sizothola i-energy enkulu uma sine-resistance enjani? Enkulu. So ngokwale formula le. So ake si-check-eni, mhlawumbe ake sikhethe nje i-current eyodwa for the same current ibe constant. Sibheke ukuthi sizosebenza kanjani. Sicalculate inakhuzana i-gradient yalama graph A, i-gradient ka-B. So okokuqala kufanele si-check ukuthi lezi ey'kwele ey'ncane leziyana zikanjani. Angeke si-check-e lokho-ke kuqala. Ngizame ukwenza kanje. Mawuchecka uthi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ziwu-10. Suthi 2 So iy'khala lezi ey'ncane zo-10 sokuthi 2 divided by 10, 2 divided by 10, 2 divided by 10 kuzoba 0,2. Kusho ukuthi isikwele ngasisodwa so 0,2. So ngizochuza nayo i-current mina. I-current izofana. So laphaya ngizochuza ukuthi i-voltage ubani. Nala ngichuza ukuthi i-voltage ubani. For the same current ngifuna ukubona ukuthi i-resistance izothini for uwaya A nowaya B. So ngizothatha leliya point leliya u-0 is to 0, kusho ukuthi ngino-0 is to 0, phinde ngibe no-0 is to 0 for u-A la, for u-B la. Okay, pause lesibili, kusho ukuthi lo ohamba ngo-0,2, kusho ukuthi lapha u-2,2. Kusho ukuthi ngizophinde ngibe u-Y uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-0,4 is to bani? Is to A is to 4,4 ngoba u-4,2, 4,4 laphaya. Siphinde sibe nenye i-coordinate for B. U-0,4 is to 0,4 hamba nobani? No-2,2. Shuthi ngamanye amagama nje for u-A singayi-calculate i-gradient yakhona since lo omunye u-0 singasho sithi i-resistance for A noma u-bulk gradient for A kuzoba u-V over I gradient for u-A, this one is A ne, kuzoba i-voltage ubani u-4,4 since vele kuzoba u-0 lama-coordinates okuqala 0 is to 0 sibe 0, 0. 4,4 divided by 0,4 sibonda usinikeza bani? This is for u-A, i-resistance for u-B nakhona futhi formula efanayo kuzoba 2,2 divided by 0,4 nakhona futhi 4,4 divided by 0,4 kosinikeza 11 ohms. Bese sithi 2,2 divided by 0,4 kosinikeza 5,5 ohms. Lokhu kusitshela ukuthi u-A uzoba ne-resistance enkulu than ubani? Than u-B. So for i-current eyodwa. So i-current lana kuzoba u-0,4 for both wires. So u-A i-resistance yakhona sizothimesa ngo-11 la, ku-B sithimese ngo-5,5. So ikuphi la sizothola khona i-answer enkulu, i-heat enkulu, i-energy enkulu. Ila khona sisebenzisa ubani? U-11. Shuthi the best wire singawusebenzisa ukuze sikhande i-heater u-A. Okay. So singaconclude-ke ukuthi for the same time and current, the heating in A will be higher because it has a resistance, but because its resistance is higher than that of B. Usuthola-ke no-8 marks wakho noma ufuna laphaya. But in the circuit below, the reading on the ammeter A is 0,2 amperes. So the reading on the ammeter is 0,2 amperes. The battery has an EMF of 9 volts. Now the battery has an EMF of 9 volts. Calculate the current through the 5 ohm resistor. Sifuna current la. So la sine resistance sine current singathola voltage yakhona. soba lula. Once sathola i-voltage yala sobe sesinayo i-voltage yala. Since labayana ubudlelwano bakhona lo naloya they are connected in parallel. If they are connected in parallel, they have the same voltage. They are sharing, no, by share, but they have the same voltage. So 8.2.1 izothi VIR. So i-current yethu u-0.2, resistance yethu 11. Sathola bani? 0.2 times 11 uzosinikeza u-2.2 volt. Since sesina-2.2 volt, sesingayisebenzisa nakhona le formula VIR. Sesinayo i-voltage yangapha u-2.2 volt, shuthi neyangapha u-2.2 volt. And sifuna i-current thina ehamba la, sine-voltage, sine-resistance. Voltage 2.2, current sifuna yona i-resistance 5.5. Divide by 5.5, 5.5, i-current 2 divide by 5.5. So, 0.4 amperes. Okay. Now, calculate the internal resistance of the battery. Indaba isithi-ke, since lana sino 0.4 amperes, kwenza sense, le resistance inkulu, le resistance incane. The higher the resistance, the lower the current. The lower the resistance, the higher the current. So now the total current ezohamba laphana ubani? 0.6 amperes. Current ezodlula laphaya ku-11. Nayifika lapha esenzenjani? Iyahlukana, enye i-current ishona le, enye ishona le. Bese uthi lo ne-resistance enkulu thola i-current encane, lo ne-resistance encane thola i-current enkulu. Now, meaning I total sesinaye. I total of 0.6 amperes. Bona, they want the internal resistance. But before we calculate internal resistance, we need the external resistance, the total external resistance. Let's calculate lava aba in parallel kuqala. Sithole bona ukuthi basinikeza total resistance engakanani R parallel. So sesiphendula 8.2.2. 1 over R parallel is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. 1 over R parallel 1. R1 11, R2 5.5. Mase sifuna R parallel yedwa. Singathatha lokhu sikufaka kuma-bracket or raised to the power of minus 1. 1 over 11 plus 1 over 5.5 all raised to the power of minus 1. That will be 3.667 ohms. So R total, no R external, no R parallel, no R1, no R3 plus R3. 3.667 plus 11 plus 11 kuzosinikeza abantu lokho-ke u-14.667 ohms. 11 lo besikhuluma ngayo yilo nalo. Loya 11 loyana bekuyilo. Lo sekuyiloya. Okay, that is our R external. EMF is equal to I into R external plus internal resistance. EMF bastion into 9, total current of 0.6, R external of 14.667 plus the internal resistance abayifunayo. You can divide 0.6 on both sides. Lo you cancel a lawyer. Then we are left with 14,667 plus R. 9 divided by 0,6. Skip elubani of 15. So it's about 15 minus 14,6667 kulingana no R. Internal resistance 14,667 zobobani 0,333 ohms. That is our internal resistance. Okay. Uh, laphana 0,2, now 0,4, laphana 0,6 amperes. Okay. Sesilalele ukuthi bathini. Bathi-ke, will the ammeter reading increase, decrease, or remain the same if 5,5 ohm resistor is removed from the circuit? Give the reason for your answer. Now, inakhuzana bathi i-reading kwi-ammeter izoba njani? Iyodwa ku-ammeter esinayo njengamanje. Ileya ammeter esinayo. Bathi i-reading leya ammeter esinayo izokwenzenjani? Izo-decrease noma izo-increase if loya akasasebenzi. Now, i-total resistance yethu u-R total before beku-14 something. Beku-14 something, ngisakhumbula beku-14 1, kodwa khona beku-14 ohms. Now, if loya akasekho, our new total resistance sekuzoba 11 plus 11 okuzosikhiphela ubani? 22 ohms. Shuthi our total resistance now yenza njani? Increase i-resistance entsha manje. Okay, laphana sino V external plus I plus V internal. Okay, amawele laphana V external no R external, then sibe no I total no V internal amawele. Okay, laba ba-increase it. So our new total resistance yenze njani? Mase si-remove loya isiyasuka ku-14 ya-increase ya-22. R total omusha ya-increase. Total voltage ya-increase. Total current yenze njani? Ya-decrease. Now, sikhuluma nge-total current yonke i-circuit. Asikhulumi ngeyalapha kuphela. Eyalapha kuphela beku-0,2. Since-ke manje i-current yethu lento English correct. I-current esizodlula laphayana kuleya ammeter leyana izo-increase. Kodwa uzobeka la uzothi the total resistance increases, the total current decreases, but i-reading kwi-ammeter izo-increase. Yes, izo-decrease i-total current kuloya 0,6, but ngeke i-decrease kakhulu kangangokuba ake siyi-prove. Ngoba inakhuzana lo uba constant lo kushuthi kuzoba 0,333. So Angiboni isikhathi sosivumela. Sizobuya after 10 minutes guys, but ake sizame-ke sibone. Shuthi sisolve i-current. Shuthi kuzoba u-22 plus 0,33. Fanele sidivide nge-EMF. EMF iba constant ne kuzoba u-9 divided by an answer sithole i-current. I-current entsha manje kuzoba u-0,4. So i-current esizodlula la seku-0,4 i-increasile while i-decrease. I-total yona i-decrease ngoba isuke ku-6 yaya ku-4. But esizodlula lapha sekubani? Seku-0,4. Ekuqaleni bekudlula u-0,2.